Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use emojis on Monopoly Go. To do so, first need to launch a game on your device, and once you've launched a game, click on the three lines on the top right side of your screen, and from the menu, go to My Showroom, like so. Once you're in the screen, click on the Emojis section. So here are all the emojis I have right now. To use it, all I need to do is click on the scenario first. For example, this one is for hello. So all I need to do is click on this first and then select the one you want to use. Once you've placed all the reactions or emojis right here, the emojis will be used according to the scenario. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Cees. Happy gaming!